How crypto tokenization can go wrong, and how to make it right. Real-world assets could become a $5 trillion industry, analysts project. But without certain changes, tokenization won't be a meaningful evolution in finance. By Ralph Kublai Org 10, 2023 at 4:08 p.m. UKB Ralph Kublai Org 10, 2023 at 4:08 p.m. UKB Ralph Kublai Org 10, 2023 at 4:08 p.m. Money doesn't make the world go round, credit does. Credit predates any known form of currency and was in use at least as far back as the ancient civilization of Sumer around the year 3500 BCE. In Sumer, citizens could get loans for agricultural purposes, later paying these back via a percentage of their crop. By comparison, the oldest coin minting operation ever discovered only dates back as far as about 640 BCE. Ralph Kublai is a board member at the Casper Association. Credit is the true foundation of finance. Not money or individual payments, but payments over time, aka cash flows. Cash flows allow entities to predict future financial states and develop strategies based on that information, which is why it's often regarded as the lifeblood of the world economy. But if this is the case, why is the move toward tokenization and digitization so focused on money? The credit landscape today, credit remains the foundation of all finance. However, we are also navigating unprecedented times. There is a credit crunch looming in the US as the broader economic outlook worsens. As a result, fewer loans are being offered and those that have become more conservative. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.